You don't need thousands of dollars to start a business. You just need a smart plan. So you're ready to start your business, but your budget is tiny. That is exactly why I created this video to help you get started with what you have. Starting a business with no money may seem impossible, but I've got a few strategies up my sleeve. So let's look at how to start a service-based business with minimal upfront costs and free resources to help you grow. But before we jump into these strategies, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Wanting to start out building your own businesses, you're going to want to utilize free or low-cost tools that are going to help you run your business. This is going to be things like Canva to create marketing materials, Trello to keep all your projects organized, and things like Aweber for your emailing and your email campaigns and landing pages and marketing. These are all tools that have a free version for when you're getting started out. They have pro versions that you can upgrade to later once your business is making money, but you can totally use them and they're perfectly fine as is to get your business started. The free tiers have tons of helpful tools that cover all your basic needs when you're just getting started. No need to spend a lot of money. And then you're going to want to utilize social media as a free form of advertising. Using Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok to get your message out there to the masses. And this way you're going to grow your audience organically by engaging with them, building relationships with them, and it's not costing you any money at all. A little bit of your time to create the content and to make that time to build those relationships and engage with them, but it's 100% free. And there's so many ways to be able to utilize those. And then I really want you to make sure that you're not overlooking free trials of things before you actually spend any money on them. A lot of tools and apps and programs will allow you to try them for 14 days or for a month before you commit to spending any money on it. Don't overlook those. Utilize those to your advantage when you're starting a business on a budget, and do the trial, really dive in and see if that tool or app or whatever it is going to be useful for you in your business. And then after the trial, you can either upgrade and buy it or just cancel it, and then no harm, no foul. But this way you're able to try it out and make sure it's going to be a good fit for what you need it to do before you've spent any money. The next thing that you're going to want to do is start small and then scale gradually. Focus on only one thing to start off with at a time. We may have big, grand visions of this larger business that we want to build that maybe has multiple income streams, but don't start there. Make sure that you pick one service that you want to start with and really build up a name for yourself with that one service first. Once it's running well and bringing you inconsistent income, then you can add some other things down the road. So you do not want to start off with multiple products or multiple services. Start with your strongest skill first and build on that. So say you're a graphic designer, start with logo design first only. Just get some clients, do some logos for them, get that feedback and those testimonials from them, and then you can slowly add some other services to your business later. We are not here to try and get rich quick overnight. You're going to build a stronger, more long-term sustainable business if you Start small and grow gradually. And another great way to start small and scale gradually is to start off by offering your smaller immediate network your services first and get that feedback and testimonials from them. Starting with your own friends or family or next door neighbors may not pay much at first, but it gives you that portfolio to be able to share with future potential clients and helps you build your real world experience doing your business and allows you to have the feedback so you can tweak and make changes and those testimonials for you to put on your social media or on your website for future clients to read and check out when they're looking for you. And this one should be a no-brainer. Keep your overheads low. Don't buy a lot of extra bells and whistles that you don't need yet. And start your business literally from home. Set aside a corner or maybe a spare room and have a home office. If it's a little too chaotic in your house for that to be feasible, there are lots of co-working spaces around most communities nowadays where you can go rent an office space for very tiny minimal amounts of money, just even for a day a week, a couple hours a week where you can just sit and do focused work for that time. And then when your business grows and starts to scale, if you need more space or a dedicated office, you can deal with that then when it's within your budget. Save on costs by working from home. Save on costs by not having a lot of the extra bells and whistles. You don't need a big storefront or a sign at this point because you're utilizing your free stuff like social media and that word of mouth and advertising. And again, one of the best ways to start a business on a budget is to focus on service-based businesses because they don't require you to have a lot of upfront product or capital. Explore business models like freelancing. Are you good at writing? There's all kinds of ghost writing and guest writing you could do for someone else's blog that will pay you money. And it doesn't cost you anything to start that business. It doesn't cost you any materials and products up front. Virtual assistants make really great money. Consulting, anything that has a minimal upfront investment or doesn't involve a lot of actual products. You can start fairly quickly for next to no money and really get a business up and off the ground. And then, as I said before, once you start bringing in income, then you can grow and scale from there. These services allow you to start using the existing skills you already have without buying any physical inventory. And that's really what's key. You can then branch out to other things later, but start there if you're really keen on starting your own business on a tight budget. Okay, so you've picked your service, you've used all the free tools to be able to create advertising and marketing and get your name out there via social media, but now you actually need clients. This is where you're going to want to use platforms like Upwork or Fiverr or LinkedIn to find your clients. These platforms offer opportunities to connect with potential clients without spending any money on advertising. So don't overlook being able to connect with others on those. Okay, so you've used social media and other free tools to get your business up and going, and now you've got those first clients that you've met on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or LinkedIn, and your business starts bringing in income. This is where you're going to want to take those first income profits of your business and reinvest them back into the business. This is where you're going to want to now pay for some of the tools to help you grow and scale your business. You're going to want to invest in yourself and do a little more training to get even better at what you do. And this may even be the time where you have enough money and enough work that you need to hire some help. Hire a video editor, hire a virtual assistant. When you take the first income profits from your business and reinvest them back into your business, this is going to allow you to properly and sustainably scale and grow your business to where you want it to be, and allow you to then start adding some other services or other products. And these will just help you move your whole entire business to the next level. So are you ready for the next step? Come and join me in my Facebook community, Empowered Collective, to get more resources and support on starting your business journey. And don't forget to grab your free PDF, the 5-step guide to starting a business on a budget. And do me a favor and leave a comment below. I would love to hear from you what resonated with you. Until next time, have a wonderful day, and we will see you in the next video.